Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Tabby in Qatar. So if you ever wanted to shop for your favorite brands but wished that you could pay later stress free, so Tabby card is here for you and you can easily use it in Qatar. So Tabby is very simple and easy to use. You just have to simply hop on to your Google Play Store or App Store and you need to download the application from there. After that, you need to simply tap on the open button, and once you are in your Tabby app, you need to tap on your profile tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to tap on login or sign up, and over here you need to select your country as Qatar and confirm it. Afterwards, you need to provide your Qatar's phone number and you are ready to go. Then on the next page, you just have to simply provide some of your details, and then you will be able to easily create your account on Tabby. Now once you successfully do this, you just have to come on the home page, and over here you just have to simply select your favorite store at which you want to basically purchase your item. In order to view the list, you will see the featured store option, so you need to simply tap on that and you need to select the brand. Afterwards, it will ask you for the location permission, so you just have to simply allow that, and now you just have to simply follow these steps. So at the time of checkout, you can basically use your Tabby card, and then you can automatically split the payments into 4 installments, or you can even delay it until next month. That is also completely interest free. Now here comes the question that why you should use Tabby. So it is not asking you for any interest, or it is absolutely free. You don't even need to pay any of the fees. It is accepted at top brands like Go Sports, Dyson, IKEA, etc. It is fast and easy to use, and you also going to get your Tabby card as well, and with no credit checks or no waiting. So this is very good that I found about Tabby. So if you love smart shopping, it's time to try Tabby in Qatar. So you need to download the app and start shopping. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.